Welcome back. This is vlog 15. I have the mic on, obviously, as you can tell. I'm at Lake Seminole Park, which is south where I live. I'm with Zach. He's back over there. He's setting up, but for now I'm just gonna go check out the area, and hopefully the new mic is working, because I really want it to work, and I paid a whole bunch of money for it to work and get all the parts. So yeah, I hope the audio sounds good for you guys, and I hope there's not a whole lot of wind noise. Sorry, because I have the little windsock on above that. So hopefully it sounds pretty good right now. By the time you're watching this, of course, over the weekend, I will have uploaded the first talk time, which has been about the DJI goggles. So right now you guys can go watch that if you want. There's no flying in it, of course, because it's just a little talk time with you guys. But it's still sort of cool to watch. I talk about whether or not the DJI goggles, I think, whether or not they're going to be coming out, or they're coming out. I see whether or not I think they're going to hook on, and whether or not people are going to be using them a whole bunch, whether or not I will be using them. So you guys can go check out that. I'm going to put a link to that up in the little corner up here. So you guys can just go check that out. Alright, so yeah, I'm out here with Zach. He's out in the field right now. He hasn't flown in like a month or two. He's looking at me. He hasn't flown in like a month or two, so his flying is going to be a bit rough. Let's hope he doesn't explode. Oh. Oh, okay. Thought he just hit a tree. Is it? Where's that fan button?
It's like on the my right side, but it's a little button.
Volume, channel, ooh, volume, maybe that's it.
I think it is.
Analog, record, display, control. I think it's HT. I think it means head tracker, but oh well.
Into this gap right here.
Bro, do it. You're gonna do it? Oh snap, bro, you did that! 2 months out of practice and he just nailed a gap. First crash of the day by Zach. He just crashed out in the middle of the field. Yeah, he had to itch a mosquito on his thumb, but I don't think it's that bad. Nothing should have broken from that. No, everything's fine. Oh, your hair's getting long. It's getting
I know,
gross.
dude. It's like fucking long now.
Like Dwight Schrute from The Office.
Bro,
You're a blonde Dwight Schrute. It's nasty.
Nah, I need to get a haircut. I'm not getting a haircut till get back, or not back, but right before I leave.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's smoking, it's smoking. No! Unplug it, unplug it. Ah, shit! It sparked at me, pull it.
Dude, I think
Shit, bro. Oh my gosh.
fuck,
No.
something happened.
Oh,
look at that.
Gosh.
Dude,
Oh
it came
no.
unsoldered. It's
Holy
so hot.
cow, you burned up everything. Oh my gosh, those motors are burning. Whew. Damn. Snap, bro.
I wonder what the fuck happened, bro. Dude, look how fucking burnt that is. It totally,
Dude.
it got so hot it melted off this, melted off the pad.
So I think it was that you were like ripping too much. You were pushing too hard. You were being too steel-ish. No, I think you were pushing too hard and it just pulled too many amps through the voltage pads and I think it just like popped off.
Yeah,
Or
hopefully,
just
bro.
unsoldered. Bro, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. It's the battery. Is it hot? Oh, it melted, yeah. No, it didn't cut the
You literally, it burnt, but it's
Yeah,
burnt,
I
bro.
see that. Was it the two pads down there, you think? It might have been.
Dude, literally, oh, fuck. Oh yeah, look at that. That's off too.
Oh my gosh.
That's probably causing some trouble too.
Yeah, because like it generated so much heat because it unsoldered this, didn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
those are all off. Snap, bro. Those motors are still burning.
Fuck.
Rip too hard.
It's too hard.
Rip too hard, that's what happens. Okay, so his quad just smoked. His just like flipped to infinity and then just caught fire out on the field here. Mine just flipped to infinity, but I don't see smoke. If my quad smoked, I'm gonna be pretty ticked. I don't know what it was. It just took off and then better not have be something broken. Pretty annoyed if that happened. What happened? That prop's bent, but that wouldn't cause it. I'm gonna take it back and look at it. So this happened. The ground lead popped off from in there, where it should be down there. Well, that's the end for today, I guess. His quad dead, my quad less dead, but still dead. His is like smoke everywhere and leads are missing and that's bad though. So yeah, that's the end for today. Sorry the flying was short. Zach's quad's dead. Now my quad's less dead. Wish Zach luck in fixing his because it smoked and then a whole bunch of bad leads popped off and then the XT60's gone. So yeah, he needs to fix that. But as always, onward and upward.